Greetings, greetings, greetings. How are the people them we live in at them time yeah? Really come in like, eh? If you ever say them forget say, I know them really run the world. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And may I invite you, if you not do it yet, to click this subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 11 from verse 16 to verse 19. The people where live in at them time, yeah. And we then come in like, them come in like picnic. We are sit down in at the market and holler to them one another. We play the flute for you know, and uno no dance. We sing one funeral song and uno no ball. Cause John the Baptist never come and yam and a drink. But then say, demon in him. The man where God pick come and yam and a drink. And them say, look here, the man ya craven and him a drunkard. Fame friend them, a tax collector and sinner. The people will follow the right way, prove say God wise, and him way right. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.